Addressing patent challenges in 3D printing filament materials. 3D printing filament materials are used to build objects layer by layer. Key types include PLA, ABS, PEEK, and advanced composites, all crucial for the quality, durability, and functionality of printed items. Common patent challenges include protecting unique material formulations, patenting filament manufacturing processes, and securing performance and usability features. Protect material innovations by patenting unique filament formulations, composite materials for specialized uses, and additives or treatments that enhance performance. Patenting manufacturing processes includes new extrusion techniques, innovations in quality control for consistency, and sustainable methods for environmentally friendly filament production. Addressing performance characteristics involves patenting improvements in mechanical properties like strength and flexibility, innovations for enhanced thermal and chemical resistance, and enhancements that improve printability and overall print quality. Navigating patent disputes involves conducting thorough searches to avoid infringement, defending patents with strategic measures, and exploring licensing agreements and collaborations to resolve conflicts. Future directions involve staying updated on emerging materials and their patentability, monitoring advancements in filament production technologies, and keeping informed about regulatory changes affecting patent laws and filament materials. For more information, contact us at patentpc.com, email info@patent.com, or call